Hello, welcome to Clever Marketing. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create t-shirt designs with Artistically 5.0. When you log into Artistically 5.0, first of all, you go to create designs and you can choose your design, either Advanced AI Designer or Fast AI Image Designer. So I click on Fast AI Image Designer, and you can either select t-shirt designs by clicking here, and here you can see what the community of Artistically people have created. So you can pick and choose any one of them. It got 9 pages and more. They keep adding, so every day somebody come out with a design, they will add it here. You see, they got all these designs for mommies, all these nice designs here, wifey, and this one is a surprise one. And it says proud to be, you know, this is the Christian or Christian based designs here. People just keep creating. So if you don't want any one of these, you can create your own by clicking on AI Design Agent, and you click on T-shirt designs. So here they have different t-shirt categories: faith-based, funny, minimalist, feminist, retro, case, fitness, and others. So you can pick any one that is in your niche or within your niche of design that you're using or design market for the t-shirt. So let's say if I choose faith-based, and here is the quantity, how many you want. They have from 1 to 10. So when you come here, you can pick 1 or 2, 3, or up to 10. So it's faith-based. So okay, let me say prayers. Okay, I'll put prayers on it and select the quantity, which I'll go for 10, and click on create design. So as you can see, it starts loading, and what it does is it goes to the web to find the best-selling t-shirt designs. So here it says processing, and mostly doesn't take that long to process. And sometimes if you do it and it's taking so long, what you can do is go up and click on refresh, and the designs will come. So if you can see, living by prayers, and all these designs, God is good, faith can move mountains, which truly it does. Walk by faith, saved by grace, faith over fear, prayer more, pray more, worry less. So as you can see, these are all the designs that you can get. I kind of like this one here, but it's on a t-shirt. So what I can do is, let me give it a try here. I can copy the prompt because I don't like the background with a t-shirt. So I copy the prompt here, and I'll come up here, which is AI Image Designer version 5 here, and it says create from prompt. So I'll take it, paste it here, and mostly what I'll do is I'll put isolated on the white background. And when you come here to, you can create a folder that you can put the design in, or it says select visibility, either private or go to public. Public is like the artistic community. So this one I'll do private for now, and select the quantity, which I'll do 4, and choosing the aspect ratio is either 1:1 or 3:2, which is best most of the time for t-shirt designs. So what I'll do is I'll just keep it at 1:1 and click on create image. So as you can see, it's doing it. Oh, nice. See, it gave me 4 different images and designs without the t-shirt being on there. So I can download this, and mostly when you download, you can take it to either Canva or Vista Create, which I use Vista Create, and you can remove the backgrounds and edit, readjust, and then you can either sell it on Etsy or any design website. And at the same time, if you have an idea, or you can go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to create, or go online and find the trending t-shirt designs and give you a detailed prompt of it. So I can show you an example right now. Let me start new here with ChatGPT. So I say go on the web and find a trending t-shirt trending t-shirt and give me a detailed prompt of it. So when I hit research, you know how ChatGPT operates. So these are the trending ones here. It gives you the details. Here it says, if you like to create designs in this trending style. So it gave me the prompt, which I can copy and paste it on Artistly. Okay, so let's say, let me give it a try here. It says cartoon-like, playful, with bold. So different prompts here, different designs, typography. Okay. So I can say, okay, now write the prompt for super mom t-shirt design. So it gives you all this, and you can put it together and place it in Artistly, and you get a nice design for your t-shirt business, or you can sell it on Etsy or any other website that sells t-shirt designs. So as you can see, we can go back and you see all the designs here. So you can pick any one. These are my old designs that I made. So it goes online and it gives you all this. So this is how you can use Artistly to create a t-shirt design. Even if you have a t-shirt, the whole t-shirt, you can just come here, go to the prompt, you copy and paste it, and you get just the design without the t-shirt. And you can comment on this video, like, share, and please do not forget to subscribe to Clever Marketing. Thanks for watching. I'll keep on bringing some tutorials. Thanks again.